These are the appliances at Best Buy. Never seen appliance section at Best Buy before. Ooh. Here we got a washer dryer combo. These are base GE profile. This is the LG AI. Oh, it's a 2-in-1. Okay. Got LG with. You don't even get a timer anymore. Says appliances. Insignia. Got Samsungs. Smaller Samsungs. LG wash tower. More LGs. GE Ultra Fresh. Another wash tower. GE Ultra Fresh. Oh, they got the Whirlpool logo. Sweet. And the removable agitator. Oh, those are the newer Whirlpools. Maytags. Newer Whirlpools. Samsungs. These are. Now this. Oh, it's one of the newer Maytags. Sweet. It's the Pet Pro model.
The answer is 10.
And we got the newer Samsung washer dryer combo. Samsung's LG AI top loading versions. Let me see. It would be nice to own an LG, honestly. Now we got the LG front loaders.
Media volume decreased to 13.
More LG AI. Yeah. Those are the appliances at Best Buy. I never checked out their appliance section at Best Buy before. Wow. Yeah.